If you have three fractions, you need to get a common denominator with all three of them. So I'll rewrite them with some space in between. So we look at the three fractions. We'll look at our numbers first. Between 2, 4, and 3, common denominator would be 12. Good. So this one you need to multiply by 6 and 6. This one by 3 and 3. This one by 4 and 4. Then we look at our variables. You need an a squared in all of them. So this one would need a squared. This one has a squared, but this one's missing one more a. So rewriting each of them, we have 30a squared over 12a squared minus 9 over 12a squared plus 8a over 12a squared. And once you have all three with a common denominator, now we can put them all together as one fraction. The denominator is going to be 12a squared, and adding them we'd have 30a squared minus 9 plus 8a. There's no like terms on the top. There's no common factor we can factor out. Right now this is all grouped together as one big factor. Nothing simplifies. And we are done. Nice. Just got a common denominator, added our fraction. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, it's a big part of it. This is the worst?
It's not even hard, it's just simple. What's easy? It's about to get hard. I'm probably going to get like a 0. Oh, it was like easy the first couple days.
All right, part B. Oh, it froze on me. There we go. So again, I'm going to rewrite it 2z plus 1 over 8z squared. Leave some space. 4z minus 4 over 3z minus 8 minus z over 6. So looking at our numbers, 3, 6, and 8. Common denominator? 24. So we would multiply this one by 3. Put brackets around here, put brackets around there. This one by 3. This one by 8 and 8. And this one by 4 and 4. Then looking at our variables, we need to get z squared. So this one's going to need z, and this one's going to need z squared. 24z squared, 24z squared, 24z squared. On the top of this one, we'll have 6z plus 3. Here we'll have 32z squared minus 32z. And finally here we'll have 32z squared minus 4z cubed. And so our final answer will be all over 24z squared. Remember here, subtracting is the hard one, this negative is going to get distributed. So combining all of our like terms in the end. I like to write them with the highest degree first. So when I look through here, can you see that you're going to end up with a positive 4z cubed? Now let's do all of our squareds. I have 32z squared minus 32z squared. That'll be 0. Then we'll go to our z's. 6z minus 32z minus 24z. And then our numbers. 26. Yes. Well, you guys are paying attention? Or are you just looking at the bottom? Plus 3. Questions for practice? 9 through 13.